He wanted to kidnap you.
I read the denials he made. Of course, if you read the denials, you will know he has accepted the allegation made. First of all, what was the allegation that was made? The allegation that was made was, first of all, when he was elected as chairman of our party, he went to one of the presidential aspirants, whom I did not name. He went to him and said, it looks like the governors are not willing to fund the party, and therefore there's the need for them to have money. I did not mention whom that presidential aspirant was. Luckily for me, he had not mentioned that he went to the presidential candidate, Atiku, the was not for them, where they discussed the issue of borrowing. Now the question now remains, after the primaries, what was the position of Atiku Abubakar? He had always dialogued or discussed with the governors on the funding of the party, and the governors have always funded the party. Two, when you talk about borrowing, who approves borrowing? You must go to the National Working Committee to say you want to borrow money. I challenge him to bring the records of where National Working Committee approved that the party should go and borrow 1 billion naira. What will be the collateral? Clearly speaking, you can see that, and I want to challenge him, whether in his conscience that he did not collect 1 billion naira from Lagos, and whether in his conscience, as a man who believes in his integrity, that the issue has to do with borrowing, I want to clearly say to him that he collected 1 billion naira. And of course, when he said he went to presidential candidate and he was discussed, it's not correct. In fact, that was how the issue of 1 billion naira he collected came from. I don't know how those who are packaging the presidential candidate would allow him to make such a statement. As a party, we need to apologize to Nigeria. Actually, it was made, but people are denying that it was not made, but he watched the video and he saw that he spoke. But some people can say, oh, you know, with the recent technology, anything can be done, but that requires further explanation by our own party.